Uh-oh, spilled a drink on your Apple TV remote. Don't panic. This quick guide will walk you through rescuing your clicker from a watery grave. First, quick action is key. Immediately fish out the remote to minimize liquid damage. Next, gently blot the remote with a dry, absorbent microfiber cloth. Do not wipe, focus on soaking up as much surface liquid as possible. Now, if you're comfortable, carefully open the battery compartment. Consult your Apple TV remote manual if you're unsure how to do this. Remove the battery immediately. This prevents further short-circuiting. Set the battery aside on a dry surface. The classic trick: place the remote and the battery in a bag or container full of uncooked rice. Ensure they are completely submerged. Rice acts as a desiccant. Drawing out moisture, leave it in for at least 24-48 hours. After the rice bath, use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any remaining debris or moisture from the buttons and crevices. Hold the can upright and use short bursts. After all of that has been done, give it a full examination. Looking at each button, click each button to see if they are fully functioning, and if they are not, repeat the last few steps. Now, reinsert the battery and test the remote. If it's working, great. If not, you might need a replacement. Check Apple's website or retailers for a new remote, or consider a refurbished option to save some cash, hopefully. This helps get you back to your favorite shows.